Hello friends, in this lesson of Mathematics 1, we will learn about function. A function is a rule that assigns to each element in a non-empty set A and one and only one element in set B. A is the domain of the function while B is the range of the function. So talk about domain. The set in which the independent variable is restricted to lie. Restrictions on the independent variable that affect the domain of the function generally are due to physical or geometric considerations. Natural restrictions that result from a formula used to define the function. Range. The set of all images of points in the domain. Explicit definition of function. Example, y is equal to plus minus root 31 minus x. Implicit definition of a function. One cannot define by means of simple algebra whether y is explicitly defined by x or vice versa. Continuity. A moving physical object cannot vanish at some point and reappear someplace else to continue its motion. The path of a moving object is a single unbroken curve without gaps, jumps, or holes. Such curves are described as continuous. A function f is said to be continuous at a point C if the following conditions are satisfied. Function c is defined. Limit x tends to c, fx exists. Limit x tends to c, fx is equal to fc. Differential calculus. The derivative of a function tells us about the slope of that function. As per to solve the derivative, there are different notations of derivative. dy by dx, fx. Thank you.